Hey everyone, welcome back to another useful video on my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in today's video मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करने वाली हूँ कुछ बहुत ही यूज़फुल ओवरनाइट ब्यूटी हैक्स एंड इनमें से कुछ जो ब्यूटी हैक्स है वो आप एवरी नाइट फॉलो कर सकते हैं और कुछ को आप वंस और ट्वाइस इन अ वीक फॉलो कर सकते हैं. All these beauty hacks will be very useful to all to look attractive and gorgeous the next day. So without further ado, let's quickly plunge into the video. My first tip is for shiny and strong cuticles and nails. Firstly, I'm removing the chipped nail paint with the help of a nail paint remover. उसके बाद I'm gonna cut my nails. To make this solution, मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी Vaseline petroleum jelly लिया, उसमें मैंने few drops of almond oil and olive oil add किया है. And then I'm gonna apply this solution and massage it for few minutes. A coat of petroleum jelly prevents your nails from losing their natural moisture, and it can do wonders to restore the shiny look on your nails. नेक्स्ट यूज़फुल हैक इज़ फॉर सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ हैंड्स. फॉर दैट सबसे पहले मैंने यहाँ पे ग्लिसरीन और गुलाब जल अप्लाई किया है फॉलोइंग अ वैसलीन पेट्रोलियम जेली. मसाज दिस एट नाइट एंड इन द मॉर्निंग यू कैन सी दैट योर हैंड्स हैज बिकम मोर सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ. Next tip is to shave your brows, which can make your brows look lifted instantly. अगर आप लोग बिगनर्स हैं तो ऑलवेज यूज़ ब्राउ रेज़र. सिंस मेरे पास ब्राउ रेज़र अभी अवेलेबल नहीं था तो मैंने फेस रेज़र का ही यूज़ किया है. सो गाइस, व्हाइल शेविंग योर ब्राउज यू हैव टू बी वेरी जेंटल टू अवॉइड द nicks and cuts. And guys, it's very safe to shave your brows if done with care. And shaved eyebrows grow back normally, so do not think that your eyebrows will grow more thicker. If you guys don't know how to shave your brows at home, you can find a tutorial on YouTube. You can get many tutorial on that. This next overnight hack is for beautiful bouncy hair the next morning. First, you have to apply a good hair serum to detangle your hair. Next, comb your hair with the help of a wooden comb so there will be no knots. The benefits of combing your hair every night is that you will face less hair fall and less breakage of your hair. नेक्स्ट हैक इज़ फॉर दोज हु हैव ऑयली स्कैल्प एंड जो एवरी मॉर्निंग अपने हेयर को वॉश नहीं करना चाहते हैं बट स्टिल वांट देयर हेयर टू लुक फ्रेश. फॉर दैट यूज़ अ ड्राई शैम्पू और अ बेबी पाउडर एट नाइट बिफोर यू स्लीप. इससे क्या होगा, जो ड्राई शैम्पू है वो ओवरनाइट आपके स्कैल्प में जितना भी ऑयल है उसको अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आपके जो हेयर स्ट्रैंड्स है वो रिफ्रेश्ड दिखेंगे और बिल्कुल भी ग्रीजी नहीं दिखेंगे. This will also help your hair to look bouncy the next morning and it will look like that you have just washed your hair. Next hack is to use a face pack so that you will wake up with glowing and bright skin next morning. इस face pack को बनाने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है कॉफ़ी, हनी, आलमंड ऑयल एंड एलोवेरा जेल. इस फेस पैक को अच्छे से अप्लाई कर लेना है एंड लेट इट सिट फॉर 5 to 10 मिनट्स. उसके बाद इसको वॉश कर लेना है. आप लोग इस फेस पैक को वीक में 2 से 3 बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस विल गिव यू गाइज एन इंस्टेंट ग्लोइंग स्किन एंड ऑल्सो योर स्किन विल लुक मोर ब्राइट इन द मॉर्निंग. The next one is just a very simple tip is to wash your face every night before you go to sleep. In this video I am using Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This cleanser is a soap-free cleanser that provides safe, effective and gentle cleansing for all skin types in all skin condition. इस cleanser में natural colloidal oatmeal है that protect the stripping of essential oils and hydrate the skin. An hydrating cleanser is a great way to hydrate the skin while eliminating excess sebum, dirt and other particles. Next one is also a very simple tip is to keep your skin hydrated using a moisturizing lotion. The one I'm using in this video is the Nikita moisturizing lotion. इसमें vitamin E है that will reduce the depth of existing wrinkles and shorten facial lines. This moisturizing lotion is very safe and gentle on the skin, leaving the skin soft and smooth. It will also helps to reduce signs of aging and help skin recover faster from sun damage. ये लोशन इतना gentle है स्किन पे कि it can be applied by all age groups including babies and it is suitable for both men and women as well. The next hack is to hydrate your hands at night so that your skin will look more smooth and soft the next morning. For my hands I'm using the Dermavive moisturizing lotion. This lotion is specially formulated for dry skin conditions because it provides immediate relief from itching and irritation and keeps skin well hydrated all day. ये स्किन को स्मूथ, सॉफ्ट और सपल भी बनाता है. Also retains skin's natural moisture. Next hack is for bright skin. Use vitamin C serum daily at night for bright and glowing skin. विटामिन सी सीरम आपकी कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करता है, जिससे आपकी स्किन जो है वो ब्राइट, यंग और ग्लोई दिखती है. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई इट अराउंड योर आइज फॉर इवन स्किन टोन. इट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस डार्क सर्कल्स विद टाइम एंड इट विल ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ रिंकल्स. विद टाइम आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्शन है वो भी ब्राइट होता है एंड इवन स्किन टोन होता है. Next one is for soft, smooth and pink lips. For that, use coffee and ghee scrub once or twice in a week. ये आपके lips के natural moisture को maintain करेगा so that your lips will always feel pink, soft and smooth. After that, you guys can apply a thick layer of any lip balm or Vaseline petroleum jelly to protect your lips from dryness. Next one is this DIY face mist, which consists of rice water, rose water and aloe vera gel. You can use this mist every night or once or twice in a week. This face mist will keep your skin hydrated as it has aloe vera gel and also brighten up your skin because it has rice water, and the rose water will take care of the wrinkles. Next beauty hack is to massage your face every night for a few minutes using a facial oil for bright and glowing skin. You can do this once or twice in a week if not possible every night. I use this gua sha for a good facial massage. It is very easy to use and is very beneficial for a glowing bright skin. It will uplift your skin instantly and also promotes blood circulation. अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा dead skin है and if you are facing acne, then this will be a good option for you guys. It will reduce puffiness and also softens fine lines and wrinkles. ये आपके face को एक natural face lift देता है and also provides glowing skin. With time, it will also improve your skin condition. You can perform gua sha treatment on your skin just before any big event one night before. If you guys want a separate tutorial for this, just let me know in the comments. You can also do gua sha just before your makeup for an instant facelift. Next hack is for thicker eyelashes and thicker eyebrows. इसके लिए just apply a mix of castor oil and almond oil on your eyelashes and eyebrows at night. Castor oil is a great way to make your eyelashes thicker faster. Next, somewhere I found this slugging method, so I thought why not, I should also give it a try, and it turns out superb. So I just really wanted to share this with also you guys. So this is kind of a Korean beauty hack, and that means slathering petroleum jelly on your face. You can use this product to moisturize your face overnight and to keep the moisture locked into your skin, and then wash it off the other day with a gentle cleanser for very soft, hydrated and moisturized skin. Next hack is for dark circles and eye care. उसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है घी, Vaseline petroleum jelly, almond oil and aloe vera gel. इस मिक्स को आप लोग स्टोर भी कर सकते हैं फ्रिज में फॉर 1 वीक. अप्लाई दिस एवरी नाइट अराउंड योर आई टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर आई एरिया. विद टाइम ये आपके डार्क सर्कल्स भी रिड्यूस कर देगा एंड इट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस प्रीमेच्योर रिंकल्स. नेक्स्ट हैक इज टू टेक केयर ऑफ एनी zit और पिम्पल्स ओवरनाइट. उसके लिए यू गाइस कैन यूज एनी benzoyl peroxide lotion or acne clearing lotion. These two products are best way to get rid of pimples and acne overnight. Next hack is to increase hair density and thickness. उसके लिए आप लोग कोई भी hair density serum use कर सकते हैं. जो मैं use कर रही हूँ वो The Ordinary brand का है. So to increase the hair thickness, you just need to apply this serum at night and massage it for a few minutes to increase the hair density and thickness. Next one is to keep your hair ends soft and shiny. For that, use olive oil every day at night on your hair ends to get rid of split ends, hair breakage, dryness, and this will also make your hair soft and shiny. That's it for today's guys. I hope you all find this video helpful. If you do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more. And the last giveaway winners' names are in my description box. And I've also mentioned all the products in my description box as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye and take care.